In this lesson, let's begin to refine the body of the helicopter. Let's turn on our T-Spline toolbar. I'm going to go to the face tool here. And see how far I need to go back. So I'm going to select this one here. Let's go all the way up to here. And select these and go to the extrude command. And I'm just going to pull it up just about there. Okay. Next up, let's select these faces right around here and delete them. I'm going to switch over to the edge tool and the edge selection mode, and actually let's go to the vert mode with the A key. I'm going to select these two, slide them forward a bit, just like that. Go to the edge selection, which is S. Select these two here and these two here. Go to the bridge, right click, the arrows in the same direction, so hit right click again, and we should have them connected. Make sure the green line is still there. Let's go to the face selection and double click the one next to it, holding the shift key. Insert an edge loop, snap it right to the middle. Then we can go back to edge mode, which is the S key. Shift select the one across from it. Run the bridge again. There we go. Back to vert mode. I'm going to select this vert here and pull it back just a tiny bit, and this one we can pull it down. Switch over to our top view and let's start to work the angle going in. We'll start with this one here and pull this guy in. We'll continue with that one. This one can go a little further more. And this one right about to here. Looks good. Looks like this part here is starting to become a little tubular, so let's solve that right now. Let's continue to shape the side of this. I'm going to pull it down. You can go to the scale 1D in Rhino and pull this group down. Do the same here. Scale 1D, snap to here and pull these down. Right around to there. I'm going to select these two, even it out just a little bit. There we go. Next thing I want to do, we'll select this vert, actually these two here. I'm going to go to the scale tool and just scale the red in so they straighten out just a tiny bit. Back to the move tool. Let's pull it in. Take this here and let's pull it in just a tiny bit. Switch over to our top view and make sure it lines up with this line here. Scroll out and select this one here, and let's make sure it lines up to that line. We can actually pull it up to line up with that line here. And that looks about right. Actually, I'm going to pull it up just a tiny bit. If we switch to the face selection mode, you can click this and double click the one next to it. Actually, we'll do the one on the side here. Let's draw an edge loop roughly to here. There we go. Let's make sure everything looks good. Let's go to sub D mode with the tab key. We can switch on right click on perspective, and you can switch over to T shiny, which is T-Spline's way of showing your edges in the viewport. We notice that the crease starts to become smooth around here. So what we need to do is go back to polygon mode, back to verts. And let's space these out a little bit. I'm going to take these verts here, pull them in. This one we can give it some space. Take this one and just pull it down just a little bit. Same with this one. And go to the edge mode and select these three here and pull them down. And select this vert and pull it down. And back to sub D mode, and you'll start to see it blending out much nicer. We can go to rendered mode, and you can see that the creases do blend out nicely. And remain straight here, which is good. Exactly what I want. Let's go back to sub D mode. Let's focus on the front here. We want to maintain this crease so it could be a little sharper when we are in sub D mode. So if we go and go to face mode and select this ring here, let's draw an edge loop right close to the corner here. And if we go to sub D mode, you'll notice that it starts to give that corner, which is exactly what you want. Let's add one around here. So double click the one next to it. Draw an edge loop close to that corner. Let's do the same here. And pull it right around to there. That's good. Select this ring and draw an edge loop close to that corner. And if we go to rendered mode, you can verify that these are sharp, which is very, very nice. All right, let's build out the top fin. Select these two here. Back to sub D mode again. Switch over to the right view. Go to the extrude key. Pull it up. Back to the A key so we can shape it to roughly there. I'm going to take these two verts, pull them back right around to here. And this one, we'll pull it to here. And if we go to face mode, we can select these two. Let's extrude and pull it down. And let's line up the verts from the front to line up with this fin in the bottom here. All right. Looks like we're getting pretty good with this body here. So in the next lesson, we will continue to refine the final details of the body.